Dookie. Can't fuck with this Kubota. Oh, Kubota. Got that mud tinted out. You can't hardly tell, but that mud tinted. Like a thing. Watch this. You see the difference? There you go. Mud tinted out. 5%. 5%. Alright, we're gonna move these piles for these guys over here. They got this in Traco mode. I ain't used to Traco mode, but ain't nothing to get used to real quick. So we're gonna get this pile moved for these guys, get this big old pile up here stacked up. I'm gonna try to put you in my pocket and see how it do. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's go, Joe. Might be a little shaky, but hold on. Might be a little shaky, but yeah, I'm used to hold on, there we go. I'm used to doing using cats, man. I'm used to using cats, but like I said, ain't nothing to it but to do it. Put that blade down, boom, bang, boom. Lift it up a little bit, boom, bang, boom. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, that's it. All you gotta do, Joe. That's all you gotta do. I'm gonna have to grade this because I'm making all types of holes down here. I'm making all types of holes. We're gonna grade it though. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Alright. Just let this blade down. Do the same thing. Not too low when you're trying to dig into the dirt. Not trying to dig into the dirt. Like somebody cut some what's the name of them plants? Jewish something. Purple plants. Alright. I already lifted all the way up. Alright, kinfolk. That's hey. Better than what it was. Better than what it was. See what we're gonna do right now, stop here. Put that blade down. We're gonna bring this Traco back over. I don't know how easy it is to change the settings, but said, if I knew the settings, I would change it right now. It's all good though. We're gonna put this to the side. Put the bucket to the side again. And we're gonna use this blade, front blade. Blade that up some more. Yep, buddy, yep, buddy, yep, buddy. Get her up as we're going. Hey, it's better than nothing. Better let them guys get closer to the pile. So now we gotta do some grading. We gotta do some grading, Cam, folks. Let's bring this bucket back over. We gotta do some grading. Let's do some grading. Bring that bucket down. Put that daggone blade down. We're gonna push a little bit. See it start moving on you. Flat, 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 flat. Pick it up a little bit. Keep picking up as the pile gets bigger. Boom, bang, boom. Go down a little bit. Pick up a little bit. Yeah, buddy. Alright, back blade. See how it turn out. Every time I get a pile up, I lift it up a little bit. So I can lay that thing flat. Get a bucket out of the way. I can see that on the camera. I can't see. Because it's slanted to that side. We ain't gonna play with it though. Not gonna play with it. Alright, Cam, we're gonna back blade from here. We're gonna back blade from here. Lift it up as we're going a little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. Go back to that. Down a little bit more. Back blade, baby, lift it up. Something like that, Cam, folk. Something like that. Yeah, but. Alright, we're gonna finish this up. We're gonna finish this up and get on out of here and go try to do something else for us. About time to go, Joe. So